Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover a deactivated Yahoo account due to inactivity. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for yahoo.com. Now, once you are on yahoo.com, you will have to click on the sign in option and then you will be landed on this sign in page. Now over here, you need to just enter your username of that particular account which you want to activate. For example, I write this one, and if I press next, let's see what it is showing. So it is showing me that this account has been deactivated due to inactivity, but we would love to welcome you back. Click sign in below to create your new account. So the thing is that first of all, you need to ensure that your account is eligible for reactivation, and if you want to check the eligibility, you need to understand that Yahoo is going to deactivate your account after 90 days of inactivity. However, all the deactivated accounts are eligible for recovery as long as they have been used within the last 12 months. So if you are not using your Yahoo account for, let's say, 10 months and now you want to recover all of your data back again, you can definitely do so by clicking on this sign in button. You just have to provide your username and your password and you will be done. But if you are using your Yahoo account after 12 months, or now you want to recover your account, unfortunately that thing is not possible. You will have to create a fresh account, and you can even create your fresh account on the same email address, but you won't be able to recover your data back. So this is how it is. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.